Hello, Valley Baptist Church. Today we're going to be learning how to like and follow the Valley Baptist Church Facebook page and mark as attending for any events that show up on that page, as well as share to the community as a whole. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to search for Valley Baptist Church Yuma here in the search Facebook option. Once we find it, we're going to go ahead and immediately mark as following. In some pages, this will show up as liking the page, which is the Facebook thumbs up that most of us are familiar with. It amounts to the same thing. It just gives you the option to follow the page so you'll get notifications when new events or posts come up. Anytime Valley Baptist Church is tagged in something, that will also show up. Um, Now, from here, we're actually at the Valley Baptist Church page, and we can see events where the website is. We even have contact info if we need to directly get in touch with anyone. From here, we have a list of everything that's been posted that's going on, and we can actually, from here, we can mark whether we're attending something. So here we have today's service. Today is Mother's Day, and we have this service starting at 10:30. If we'd like to mark that we're attending, we can click here where it says interested, and it will notify whoever's the host of the event that individuals are interested. We can also change that to going if we are 100% going to show up. Um, and that gives whoever's running the event a little bit better picture of who all's coming and who all's not. But more importantly, we want to share these things with the community. So that's where sharing comes in. You'll see right here on this VBS notification that there is an arrow pointing to the right, and this is going out, and that is exactly what we want to do. We want to share this out with everyone we know. So when we click this share icon, we have a bunch of different options for how we want to share this. The two most important one is share now, which shares it with anybody who's in your friends list. It goes out to them or they can all see it. The other one that's very important is share on a friend's profile or send in Messenger. This allows you to send it to an individual. This works out best if it's somebody that you know has perhaps a child that is interested in going to VBS or could benefit from going to VBS. This is a good way to let them know. And that icon also is on any other event that you see in this page. You'll see down here you have the option to share it, and you can also like it just like you would any other Facebook post and post comments. This is a good way to communicate back with Valley Baptist Church. If you're want to let them know you're bringing something or you're involved. And like is just a good general way to make sure it gets to a lot more eyes and lets people know that there's a lot of interest with it. And sharing is a great way to let everybody else know what's going on at the church, and it helps us get the message out there more on the mission field. So that's pretty much it for our tutorial today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to contact Pastor Philip or myself. My name's Robert Wilson. I'm usually the geek in the back running the sound booth. If you have any issues or any concerns, you need any help with Facebook, please feel free to get in touch with one of us, and we'll be able to assist you. Thank you for your time. God bless.